you all well. If you think that I look exactly the same as in my previous video, yes, because I just filmed this super easy daily glam, like super easy to breathe. It looks pretty, right? Using this brand new Sigma X Stephanie Lange, a beautiful lady palette, the Essentials palette, basically eyeshadows, the contour and the highlighter. This is what I'm wearing on my face. This makeup look was super easy to create. The video should be up already on my channel if you guys want to check it out. This palette is stunning, isn't it? Yeah, so that's why I look the same. I might sound a bit hyped up because I just had a chocolate. I'm eating chocolate. I got this from Nect. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. They released new flavors. If only you could smell this, guys. If only you could smell this. It's double chocolate, double chocolate. You guys, I got the whole box. Good, isn't it? Okay, let's get back to this video. Alright, so in this video, I'm too hyped up. You know, all the chocolate. Do you ever get that when you have chocolate? I'm like, oh, energy. Okay, so in this video, I thought I'm gonna do a quick review of this LA Girl lippy. This one is Glitter Magic Shimmer Shifting. I did try quite a few different brands that changes lip color. I tried NYX, I tried Lottie, I tried something else, I don't remember. I have quite a few lippies, but changing color, I know how it works, and some lippies doesn't really tend to stay on the lips. It wears off really quick. I mean, it has this wow factor, but then it wears off super quick. So I thought, you know what, let's test this out and see if this wears as fast or not. So the lippy is brand new. As you see, I really like the packaging actually. It reminds me of the Christmas a lot, like a, you know, glittery ball, like glittery lip. Yeah, I got the color Fizzy Fuchsia. I took only one color. I ordered actually a lot of LA Girl products, so I might do separate videos about it. I got a lot. I was like, the box is a bit far from me, so I don't want to stand up and get it. But I got a lot. Should I get it and show you what I got? I got so many things actually. Okay, let's just... You know what I hate about packaging? This plastic wrap. I mean, it's not like we don't have enough plastic already in this world. There's just single-use plastic that we don't need. So companies, please, we don't need that. Okay, so wrap is off. Let's just swatch on the hand first. Ooh, feels very oily. Not sure about the color. I thought it's gonna be more red, but now it looks more pink red. Doesn't have any smell whatsoever. I love that already about it. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly clean this lippy that I have on my lips now, so we can put this on. The lippy I have on my lips is the... What lippy I have on my lips? Oh, it's this one, Il Makiage one. The old lipstick is off. Let's check this lippy. Let's see. They don't say if it's like long wear lipstick or anything. All they say is Glitter Magic Shimmer Shifting Lip Gloss. I have a glass of water with me. We're gonna do a proper review like we always do with any lipsticks that I try. So it has this like classic lip brush. Nothing special about it. A bit angled. Without any further ado, let's just try this. Oh, the color is intense. I'm not sure if I did a correct choice of the color shade, but you know. Alright, so far the lippy looks more like metallic. I mean, other lippies, the glitter shifting lippies, the magic lipsticks and all that I tried before at first was super matte, and then you know squeeze your lips together, it goes like super glittery and sparkly. This one is glittery straight away. Do you guys see this? It looks metallic already straight away. It's not matte or anything like previous lippies were. I'm gonna leave it to dry for like a minute or two, and then we can squeeze the lips together to see the reveal. Alright, 2 minutes has passed. Let's see on this first. I mean, you can see already in here how shimmery it is. It's not like super matte. Let's try to do this. to reveal the magic, like it always is with this lip is. To work like this. It goes super pink. So first it's more like a red and then it goes super pink shimmer. Oh wow! I mean, they say that it's Shimmer Shifting Lip Color. There's no instructions really on the packaging, but with any other magic lipstick that I tried, you needed to press lips and kind of rub for glitter to be revealed. Well, shimmer in this case, so try right. Okay. Oh, what? I look like a glitter ball. I kind of was expecting that because it's not the first time I'm trying the glitter magic lippy. I tried at least 2 over. I think probably 5 different brands I tried, but let's say 2 because 2 different reviews is definitely up on my channel. So comparing that, it feels like the same. This is super affordable, by the way. LA Girl. I don't know why I didn't use it before. Like, I came across this brand recently and I was like, oh my god, this is so super affordable. I think it's a lot like a makeup revolution, to be honest. This lip is good. Like, I can't complain. It was super affordable. It looks beautiful. Maybe not the shade that I would wear on a daily basis. Let's do a water test, water glass test. I have a water glass. Like, let's have some water. I'm super thirsty as well, so. Okay. Oh, the glass is actually clean. I'm rather surprised. You guys see? I thought it's gonna for sure leave a humongous mark of a glitter, like sparkles. Okay, LA Girl, this is not bad. I'm rather surprised. I was so ready to fail this, but wow. Okay, should we do... Let's do a kiss test first and then we can try to rub, because I'm too scared to rub. I feel like it's not gonna pass this test, but let's just do a kiss test, right? Okay, you ready? Oh! Alright, that ain't bad. There's not even the grease mark like our lippy sleeve. It left a tiny bit of lippy, like a tiny glitter. If you see that? But other than that, that's amazing. I'm scared for nothing. Like, I was so sure it's gonna be horrible, but it's not. Let's do a little like pat on first. Whew, nothing. Not even a glitter. Nothing. Okay, let's rub. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it feels rather strange when rubbing because I can feel this little like shimmer, little glitter on my lips. But saying that, I mean, my finger looks a little bit pinkish, but it's not as bad, and my lip still looks perfect. So you guys, that ain't bad. If you're looking for super shimmery lippy that is not a gloss and wouldn't leave a mark, you know, I love a gloss for the way it looks on the lips. Don't love wearing it because I feel like my hair just, you know, stuck on it. The wind blows, anything. You know what I mean? Like, some even pictures, you see a beautiful gloss on a, you know, girl's lips, and you can just imagine your hair stuck on it. So if you want your lips to look a bit like you have a gloss on it, but yet it's not a gloss, but super shimmery and, you know, like drags your eye to it, go for this. I honestly was ready to fail it. I was like, it's not gonna pass any of my tests. But hey, super affordable. Yeah, can't fail it. Surprise, surprise. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you'd like to see more review videos up on my channel, more tutorials, lifestyle vlogs. Yeah, let me know, talk to me. And I shall see you very soon in my next video. So thanks so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!